Guys, whoever owns the bike with belt-driven pulley or Harley Davidson like that, or Ola, Ather with belt-driven technology, you might have heard this kind of sound from the belt, like chewy, 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 like that when acceleration or deceleration. That sounds very annoying. I think you should hear this sound. This kind of sound is very irritating everywhere. Whenever you decrease the throttle, when the bike is riding on hill slope like that, you will be getting some sort of noises from the belt, and that's very normal in electric vehicle. You might have getting noises from the Ather or Ola or any other bike with belt driven pulley. Maybe the belt adjustment is not proper. In this video I'll be doing the adjustments. There are some screws which I'll be showing you how to open all of that, and I'll be try to reduce the sound by the changing the sides of the belt. So these are the tools which you need to open the panels. This is Allen key. You have to open 1, 2 and 3 screws here. Screws have been opened. You have to gently open the panel because it is very light, that might be get broken here. And then there are 2 screws which you need to open the pulley. 2 screws which look like very old, and you have to pull it out gently because it's very light, as I said before, and this might get broken. And yeah, even this has been opened right now, as you can see the pulley here. And yes, there is one more screw here which you need to open, and there is one more screw I have added as an aftermarket mudguard over there. Here you need to apply the same principle as you did on your childhood when the chain from the bicycle gets removed. I'll be just pulling the pulley here because it's very not very tight. So here this thing has been removed after a lot of hard work. Yeah, I'll be just turning it upside down, and even the teeth is in a good condition of my vehicle. It's very sweaty and summer in right now. So yeah, I'll be turning it upside down, and I have just added the pulley on my vehicle. Suddenly one uncle came and asking me to lubricate the pulley.
चैन में भी तेल बिल डालो, इधर सूख गया।
ये चैन नहीं है, बेल्ट है।
बेल्ट है वो।
हाँ देखो ना, बेल्ट है ये। वो बेल्ट को ना ये घुमा के लगा रहा हूँ। So after I think 1 or 2 hours, the thing has been resolved. I have just added the pulley. Guys, it seems like the issue have been resolved temporarily. Maybe I'll be getting this issue after 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 1 month. If you like the video, do follow for more videos like this.